Hi. Let's check something out quick. Let's take a peek, shall we? Yeesh. Let's do. Why is this like this? It's being silly. There we are. Who we got in here? Anybody? Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. I'm not even looking at it. I don't know what the hell. I just decided that I was gonna go live. I just sat down, grabbed a cup of coffee. I thought my mustache was looking good. I'm just gonna press the button and we're gonna go. All good, bro. Good morning. Here are my headphones. Almost dropped that. Let's do it. All right, let's take a peek. Move my phone. Me scusi. I mean, the 2 hours agreeing money. I mean, this could roll over, right? We got to watch this. But here's the problem, right? I'm looking at this as this. That's crazy. But pretend this top is here, right? We didn't come up to here yet. So if we are to roll over, right, we got to take this high before we can say that we're going to go up. But it's looking good. Um, yeah, now the 1 hour's got it from way back here, but we have more in our face curvature, right? From here, lower lows. Let me retry that for you here. Right? Boom. Boom. Lower low. And then here we are. We're moving our way up. We didn't take this high yet. We got to take that high, of course. But looking at Cardano, Cardano structured a little different, right? But boom, 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 boom. Well, on this time frame, it doesn't work. But this is what I was looking for. I was looking for this, but we also have some little. Let's see. Let's go down first because I haven't even looked at Bitcoin yet. I'm looking at it right now with y'all. Yeah, we still got the bullish curvature, bullish divergence into the curvature. Money flows into the blue, into the green. But we do have immediate 24 and 30 potential bearish divergence coming in. What's the 12? 12 has got bearish. The 15 has got bearish. Man. We're not up here yet. Not yet. This is the place to bounce, guys. I'm looking long. Market opens in 6 minutes. I mean, I don't think we have. Oh, did it again. Divert. Come on. I don't think we have divergence here, but we have it there. I just don't love that. Yeah, we don't have divergence here. Let's see if we have something on the 5. Yeah, but I mean, well, maybe the 3 and the 2 will give us something more localized. I really want something here on these lower time frames, and I don't think we gonna get it. Yeah, we don't have it. But we have it here. I don't love that. I don't love that at all. Let's see. Did this come down for me yet, though? Come on, baby. Right here. That's what we want. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. But that, yeah. See here, we have it on the 1 minute, right? So the 2 and the 3 don't have it yet. But like the 1 minute has a nice bullish curvature, bullish divergence. I believe at least this 2 here. Yeah, yeah, we have it, right? We came down. We had to change a character, break a structure, break a structure. One money flow is not looking great, but I really don't care as long as if everything's pointing to the upside here. 5 minute doesn't look great. 12 minute, 15 minute. I mean, they're arguable, right? Money flows in the green still. See, like, let's see something quick. So, I mean, let's play some scenarios here. Let's start deep here. Excuse me. I'm sorry. We're looking here, right? We're looking here for a short. Let's make this purple because purple means low or short or down or something. On the daily, this is what we were looking at, right? There was daily demand heat. Guys, I'm struggling, right? We were like, this is a bounce zone. But we said there was a golden pocket here on like the 1 or 2 day, maybe even the 3 day, right? Because the structure looked like this. And then the pull for this was here. It makes a lot of sense what we did. Um, so we broke the low and we're in another bounce zone. Are we going to bounce or not? That's the question. Is it ready to bounce? Um, let's pull this. I mean, if you were to pull this guy, we're still in the zone. Let's pull it to the high. 786, right? Look at where, like, you can't make that shit up, right? You can't make it up. So, once again, we're still in the bounce zone. I am not in the camp that this is over until we completely change sentiment. And by then, it'll be a little late, and you guys will say I didn't call it, but this is trading. I take it day by day, trade by trade, and until we take this high, maybe even a little lower, until we take the high at 98,000, I'm going to have a hard time saying we're going to continue up. And even if we do that, even if we do, where is it? Is it the weekly? So the weekly's still 98. 2 week, 3 week. The 3 week it is. So even if we get above it, the 3 week is still bearish. This makes sense too. So this is another zone, guys. What's the 4 week? 4 week, if this closes, I mean, granted, it's in like 2.5, 3 weeks. If this closes bearish, and you should be expecting us to bounce somewhere here for this, or take the high like we did last cycle and then go. Doesn't have to happen, but it would make sense. My goodness, guys, I am sorry. So I don't know. Hold on, let me see something. Hey, take this. Come back. Come back. Market opens in a minute. Can we get a? We're gonna watch this for a second, but don't let me forget. I'm gonna forget. Oh my goodness. All right, we didn't close above, so it's still likely we come down. Mm-hmm. 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 Come on. Don't stop me out, of course, because I have a limit set. But maybe a little something. Yeah, market opens. The market opens. Bitcoin, what you looking at, boy? Still bullish, right? We didn't take this low yet, so fine. I'm sure one of these is going to be an SFP potentially. We're still bearish on the higher time frames. I don't know. Right now, I'm bullish bear. I'm bullish bias is what I am right now. And all I'm thinking, right? Like I said, one trade at a time, guys. If you get long here, like I'm looking at the 786, and then maybe I'll close 75% here. When Bitcoin gets there on Cardano, it's looking this high. That's what's all. Come back. I'm coming back. Get rid of that. You look at Cardano, it's this 786 or this high. So I mean, ideally, if I get this, like I'm this 786, this high, I'm taking the majority off, and then I'll hold a little bit to here. But it needs to come back for me. It's not coming back. I bet you the 5. Yeah. Yeah. I knew that 5 was there, but I was like, you know what? Let's try and keep it tight. I was like, this is just a perfect remedy, right? Because we have another 5 here, and then if you, I don't know if the 2 minute, I think the 3 though. Yeah, 3 broke, come into the zone, retest, come down, and then rip. But it, for some reason, doesn't want me to make money today. For some reason. Yeah, come back, babe. Come back. Come back like a good little girl. Oh boy. I can't click off this until it plays. Or, we gotta wait a minute. And then if this closes down lower, I'm gonna look something like this. And then something like this. And then down here in these guys, I'm gonna get rid of this. Let me go to the 15. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, shit, this may even play. I would keep it purple just for less blue. I think I'm gonna make my fibs gray. What do you guys think? Just because I'm sick and tired of having to constantly change it. Sick and tired of being sick and tired. You know what I'm saying? Oof, it didn't take me, and it's really, really unfortunate. In a perfect world, this is the guy here, but we didn't take my spot, and the New York just opened. So I'm gonna stay true to my trade here. Maybe an SFP of this guy, SFP of this guy, tip our toes into this, and then boom. No, don't take that yet. Like this. Stop it. Yeah, baby, come on. Come on, baby. I need a couple shekels. What are you guys trading today? What are you looking at? What are you guys looking at? Yeah, baby. Right? Zing, 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 zing. Let's go to a little higher time frame. I don't want all that bullshit. All the bullshit, man. Right? Like this. SFP, SFP, and we're off. You know what? Let's do our top down and Cardano while we're waiting. I'm going to pull it up on the other screen. I'll leave that. Like, look at this bullshit divergence, guys, right? I'm not saying we're not rolling over to the downside right now, but here's the thing. We are in here. This is where we are. This is where we are. This is our range. This is our home. I don't know why you picked yellow, but this is our home. You know, we're gonna take the high or we're gonna take the low. Right now, if I had to bet which one's coming first, I think we're gonna take this high first. Right, nice curvature. That's the high I think we're gonna take. If we take it or not, I don't know, but that's the one I'm looking at. And I could be so fucking wrong, so please. This is not financial advice, guys. Yeah. This makes a lot of sense. I was drawing some lines here because I know like we have some trend line folk in here. I'm like, draw your momentum lines. I'm like, all right, I got you. I don't like that. Yeah, let's do that. Top of candle, body, pretty much. We can just run a line just like that. That's pretty perfect. So let's go to the 1 hour. Right, the 1 hour. Let's go to 45. Boom. The 45 had an internal break. Right. This is our long zone. Let me get rid of this yellow. Fuck this yellow. This was our zone for a long. We flip bullish, right? If we come back down into this zone, we're looking to long again, a lower time frame change again. We have localized bullish divergence. We have extended bullish divergence. But we don't have to come down. So like breaking this line here in particular tells me that it's likely that we go up. Maybe with the bullish divergence, maybe we go up. But like this is the high here, right? We got this high first because we can do this. And then come take this high. So that high. This guy here. So we got to be patient. But we're in the zone, and we had the flip. And then if you keep dropping down, right, you do your top down, and you keep dropping it down. Let's see something quick. I don't know why it keeps doing this. There it is. See, we're bullish here. Golden pocket. Look at the 12. Same thing. I think the 15 is the same thing. No, 15 is not, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to, the 10, same thing. I think I already showed you that one. 6, right? We SFP'd the low here. See, this isn't the stroke. Was it the 5? It wasn't? No. Don't tell me this right now. I don't love what happened here, but it's a golden pocket nonetheless. Screw the structure. Right? We came down, we flipped again. Drop it down more. Let's just go to the 1. We'll do the 3. All right. We came down. This is the SFP I was talking about. We flipped. 1. This is the flip. Came down, flipped again. Retest again. Maybe we go. But I just want a little bit lower. Oh my goodness. Keep coming, baby. Come on. Who's in here? Let me see. Give me a middle finger. Who's in here? Let me see. Show your face. I'm drinking coffee out of my wife's bumblebee cup. This is going to be a quick one today, too, guys. I'm just going to go over it and get the fuck out of here. That's all I got to do. Go over, get out. Go over, get out. But if we do get this flip, right, if I can get in and we come up and we break this, I'm looking high. Looking higher. Right? Ideally, this high is next. Right? And then this guy, this is the main one I'm looking at. But, one step at a time, right? We got to break this guy. And then if we break that guy, I assume we're going to have a retest unless it rips. But I'm ultimately assuming this high is going to be taken. Do I need to adjust? I do need to adjust. No, we'll leave it. We're going to leave it. Here, I'll draw it for you. That's what Brian's doing. Right or wrong, you what it is, man. TP1. If we SFP that too, I'm looking here. I don't care if that's a little higher. That's all right. I'm looking down here. I think I want to stand. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I gotta. Ooh, ooh. Oh, wait, no, not this one. What am I doing here? No, it's not this one. This is not what I wanted. Fuck. My shit's still here. It's still here. Remember that. I'm staying true to my trade. It was the 3. Right. SFP, come down, boom, come back up. I don't care about this bearish divergence. Right. Seven to 1. Not too shabby. If it plays, of course. But did this one? So this is the different structure here, right? I'm assuming this 1 minute doesn't hold. It's only one, right? Because we had the SFP on the 3, so let's have that SFP play out. Take this low and then bounce. Let's do that. I like that idea. And if it doesn't, this is just going to count towards my statistic of don't trade before 10 a.m. Right? Up to 8:30 a.m. and then I don't trade till 10:30 or after. Or 10 o'clock, I'm sorry. But that 10:15 to 10:45 is when I typically see my trades start to get triggered and play out. Hmm. 2 hour red dot. I mean, this zone makes sense to reject, right? Let's not forget that either. Let's not forget it. But it just looks like it wants to potentially continue up. Ugh. It's fucking not. It's not coming. It won't do it. It's just not coming for me. It won't do it. We wait. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Get rid of this. I know there's shit here, so I'll pull it back up if I need to. Um, but we're gonna find out. Let's see some here. Say you guys had your breakout account in this place. 6,000 bucks. Just on that alone, that's zoom out a little bit. This is not even right. Ideally, we come up to here. 12 grand, 13 grand. But that has to happen in a day, otherwise you close that shit, in my opinion. I'm out of coffee. But I do have Bublés. taking its time. It's playing games. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I don't know. I'm not gonna sit here because it may not play out. It could take another hour before this thing starts to fucking move. We have news that comes out in 10 minutes, actually, if I'm not mistaken. Got some numbers. Existing home sales. It is predicting lower, which it should come in lower. At least in my area, there's a lot less homes on, and the ones that are on are sitting a lot longer. And I live in a very desired location for real estate between New York and Boston, right? So, um, and what does that mean? If it comes in lower, it's an it's showing that potentially the economy is slowing down, which is good for interest rate cuts, which makes money cheaper to borrow, which in return makes markets go up. But until then, it can mean they go down. Andrew, I fucking agree. Excuse me. Come on, man. Come the. I woke up this morning, put on the Facebook, scrolled through, and arm wrestling popped up. And I thought it was your brother, but it wasn't. Actually, it may have been. I don't think it was, though. I was still a little cross eyed. It's just funny how that works. I think of you and your brother every single time now. You're in my head rent free. Yeah, go for it, dude. I don't give a fuck. You're good. Send it. Assert your dominance, Andrew, first. Let them know. What have we got here? Yeah, it's still playing games. Still playing games. Doo doo doo. I'm hungry. My wife was home yesterday. She made me breakfast. And I never eat breakfast. And now today I'm craving breakfast. I'm not doing it. We're not doing it. I unintentionally fast. That's what I do. This is starting to piss me off. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'll just wait for it to pop up on YouTube and I'll watch it there. But I love it. I hope people watch it. I don't even watch any TV. I didn't even watch the Super Bowl. I don't give a shit. Bob and weave, bob and weave. Let's see if I can change this because this is just wrong. Hmm, maybe it's not wrong actually. It's just ugly. Let's go to the 3. We'll let the 3 have it. There it is. Come down. I am the captain now. Oh boy, it's just me and you in here, Andrew, just hanging out, just doing the dad thing, getting yelled at, washing dishes. I like it. Anybody who doesn't know, Andrew's brother's an absolute monster. Absolute monster arm wrestler. If you guys ever watch like those clips that pop up on YouTube, and I see stuff on Facebook and Instagram, you've definitely come across his brother. He's come across in the mix. He's just a beast, and he's a Canadian, a damn Canuck, eh? 4 minutos till the home sales numbers come out. Now, what may happen too is I may get stopped out immediately. It may come down to here and come up. It's also an option. Not one I would like, but it's also an option. Or it can just dump, but it doesn't look like that's likely, structurally speaking. Man, my camera shit's so dark when I stand up because it's so fucking bright in here. Let me close some blinds and see if that helps. We got time. Did it help a little bit? It should have. $3 minutes. Oh yeah, let's go back to Bitcoin while I'm waiting here. Let me pull up my other monitor to see if I get tapped in. Then we'll switch back over. But what I was thinking here on the biddy, even if we bounce here, like I said, we got to break above 98, close above it pretty good, and then even that, like we got to close above the all-time high because just structurally speaking, like there's just so many spots to put in a lower high. But the oscillator is kind of saying it's time to bounce, but it's not necessarily saying it's time to go to all-time highs. But things need to bounce first before that happens, right? I mean, this SFP is saying we should be going down on the 2 hour, but it says the rejection zone. We do have bearish divergence on the 24. But then we have the SFP here. Maybe roll up. God darn it. This is why I haven't been looking at Bitcoin, man. It's been, I mean, we may go down, but look, right? We broke bullish and we break right through. Why? Because this was a short zone. And how do I know that? I just do. I just know it's a short zone. I mean, it's a short zone. Just is. 10 o'clock. Come down. Come get me. Let's take a peek. You can, man. You can go get. You can go check out the trading call. Those they're not really for me. I don't really get anything out of them. Um, so I'm going to do my own thing. So I figured I'd hop in here anyways. You all could watch it whenever, if at all. But the trade hunting call is not really for Brian. Let's see what the number came in at. Home sales came in lower. It's bullish. Markets, risk on assets is bullish. Economy slowing down. I know it sounds backwards because it is, but it's bullish. I've been working on my forearms, Andrew. Tell your brother I'm coming. You know, more of a righty though. So stupid. I'm glad you saw that. Because if you didn't see that, then I'm just an idiot. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna lie, I got that right arm, right hand, freaking carpal tunnel going on. I had the golfing elbow, and now like my hand's just all fucked up, like tight in my forearm from sitting here typing like a fucking little nerdy boy. Because that's what I am. Come on, dude. Excuse me. That felt good actually. Wow. Ready to rock. Yeah, see this curvature? Like, come down though. Just come down. Tap me in. Give it a little tappy. A little tap, 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 roo. Yeah, dude, I'm 6'1", 225. Let's go. Dude, me and you together, we'll kick his fucking ass. Tell him. We got dad strength and mustaches. Let's fucking go. Come on, baby. I'll be biting his fucking ankles, gnawing on him. That's why his arms are like the size of my legs. Come on, baby. A little more. Just a little bit. Should be in. They should be in. It didn't go. Mexi didn't go that low. Oh no. Don't you fucking do it. I'm in. I'm in. 100%. Stop. 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 Don't do it. Just go up. There's your time. Come on, baby. Come on. Talk dirty to me. Come on. Ah, there it is. You son of a. All right, we recess. We're coming back down here then. Right? One step at a time. If that is the case, let's do this. I mean, that SFP makes more sense, but I don't think that's the call just yet. Hold on, I'm doing it on my other screen. Are you ready to rumble, baby? I'm looking for an order block in this zone. In confluence, see that's low. There's a lot of liquidity below this within though. I don't love that. Imagine if it just fucking go. I'm not. I don't think I'm wrong. I just lost that trade. Tomato, tomato. Motherfucker, dude. Yeah, this was perfect. I need. Yeah, see, look at this. Came down, tapped it perfectly. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. I may overextend myself. Not in the negative way. I mean, I may lower my entry here, right? Because we have a 45-minute here. We got the hourly there as well. We already tapped it, so I'm not going to worry about that whole thing. The 3 hour, good. The 4 hour, good. Nothing. 30-minute, 24-minute, 15-minute, 12-minute, 10. We have a 10 and a 6 in the same, and a 5 in the same, and that's 886 though. 4 in the same, but we also have a 4 there. Let's do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take top of the 5, cover the low, target the high. I have to. It's what I have to do. It has to be done. But you know what? It's not an order block on the MACD. It's not on the 5. What, it was a 12, right? Or was it a 10? See, the 10's not even an order block here on MACD either, though. You know what I could do? I wonder, how does this line up? You son of a bitch. Give me a drink. That lines up with the 5, I would assume, right? Plus or minus. Didn't really dip our toes in. Yeah, so we're hesitating on this 3 minute. I mean, it could hold. I don't want it to hold. I would like to come a little bit lower. And the reason being, we didn't touch 786 yet. So I want to dip below this 786. And then I'm looking for a reason for us to bounce. And I'm debating if I'm just going to wait for like a 1 minute change. Let me get rid of this. Keep that there. Get rid of this. We have mitigated. 45 minute. Right, we're in it though. I like this. I think actually. Let's see something here. Where's that 1 hour go? Where's it start? On the 10, top of the candle. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm doing this. It may. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna get me or not, but I'm looking at this Jimmy John, and I'm looking like this. So that's it. That's it. That's it. Waggle that shit, and that's it. Waggle that shit, and that's it. That's wiggle. Oh, wiggle, waggle, same shit. Come on, don't be shy. 2041 is that first high. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change something here. Let's change this. Get rid of that. I'm going to really try and dial this in here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try and do. Right, sometimes it's okay to be wrong, and especially I especially like to be wrong fast. Right, I like to be wrong fast. Get me out of here. Get me in. Get me out. That way, if I gotta look, I'm looking at the next one. I don't know if it's coming down, guys. This is sad. That's all right. That's all right. Get my bubbles. I think that's it. I think that's all I got. This is what I'm looking at, and if this doesn't play, I'm looking down here. And then if that doesn't play, I need to reboot the engines, right? Unless the oscillator completely shifts and it really has me saying like, oh fuck, like we have a nice trigger wave over here. We're about to come down. Then I'll look to short it down to here. And then if it breaks that and I don't get in either way, like I will be looking for a retrace for a continuation to this and potentially even lower to take the low at 22 cents. Probably and some, right? Probably looking, some other low levels within that you guys know that I pull in the Discord. But if you don't, gotta ask, can't know. So appreciate you guys coming. I'm gonna scoop. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys, if you do enjoy this. Appreciate you guys coming, and we'll catch you guys next time. Later.